Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Well, MGA, hello everyone. He says, hello, MGA. I think only you and me are here as of now. Well, guys, if you have joined already, let us have a small say like I'm here in chat so that we can identify who are all here. And for those who are watching the recording or those who are going to watch the recording, let me introduce myself. Well, I'm Rakesh. I'm an independent analyst. Because I'm streaming on the Dicascopy Bank's official channel, that doesn't mean that I am their employee. I am not their employee. I am an independent analyst, as I have told you earlier. So in next 45 minutes, I will be explaining you about the key levels of importance for all the major currency pairs, a few yen crosses, Brent and bullions, and maybe even Bitcoin, Ethereum, and few indexes also. So this is all which I can recollect, but yes, more or less it is same. But if you have any particular currency pair or any other instrument that is traded on Dukascopy platform, and even if it is not traded on Dukascopy platform, and it is tradable, it has a chart, you can request that in the chat to be analyzed here right in front of you. We'll bring it up on the chart, and we'll try to do some analysis on that also. Now, one thing that I want to make sure is that you know that we are not going to do any fundamental analysis. All our analysis will be based on the charts, and in the process I'll be only using the candlestick charts. All right, so right here we are going to use candlestick charts to find the key levels, and then we will see how we can use those key levels in our trading, or how we can use those key levels in our trading. Okay, also we will try to take care of the risk management here, and in the last 1 year I have been only doing the key levels, their importance, how to trade them, blah blah. But now I have decided to talk more about the risk perspective and how to execute the trades, because I see that even when I have friends over here to whom I am telling my levels of importance, they are not able to execute it properly. So if you are not able to execute, that means you have either a greed or a fear in your mind. And to settle those two things, we need to practice and practice and practice and practice the right thing, not the wrong thing. Because if you keep practicing the wrong thing, it will be inculcated as a habit in you, and then every time when there will be a time of fight or flight, you will execute it in the wrong manner. So patience is the key here, guys. Okay, so guys, let's hop on to the charts and see what is there in the charts today. Well, this is Thursday, 11th of May 2023, and before we switch to the chart, let me take you through the risk disclaimer. And guys, whatever I say in this live stream, I will say sometimes, okay, keep your stop loss here, take your profits here, or execute the trade here, keep a stop order here. But that doesn't mean that it's a trading advice. You should not take this video as a trading advice. It is not a trading advice. Okay, please do your own research before you put your money on the line. Even if you put your money on the line based on my videos, I cannot be held responsible for your profits or your losses. Although most of my trades go in profits, but still, I don't want to take that risk. Okay, it is only for educational purpose. You can learn from here and apply it in your own way if you want to. With that said, let us bring first chart of the day, which is supposed to be the US dollar index. All right, here on your screen. So what do you see here? What do you see, guys? Well, I can assure you, if I switch to 1 hour, you will say this is a bullish trend. Yes, this is a bullish trend, right? Yeah, guys, what do you see? A bull trend? Well, I think yesterday only I told that keep a stop order here, stop sell order here, and then take profit was, I think, much below here, 100.44. But I think we got a stop loss hit, right? We got a stop loss triggered. Yes, we lost almost 1% on this 20 pips. But had we targeted this, we could have gained. Okay, so here now on the 1 hour, the US dollar index is in a uptrend again. And when you come to 4 hour, on the 4 hour also it is in an uptrend. But when you come to the daily, hey Benny, welcome to the stream. But on the daily, it is still in a consolidation. So yes, now it is making a symmetrical triangle here. We can locate that symmetrical triangle clearly like this and like this. So we have a symmetrical triangle. How is it going? It's fine, very nice. I think US dollar is just consolidating before the next leg. And I am expecting the next leg to be lower because I see that whenever the price goes up, it is getting rejected every time the price is going up, it is getting rejected. Of course, every time the price is going down, it is getting bought, but the bias is bearish, right? The bias is bearish. So I'm expecting the price to actually get rejected here again. Although on the upside, I am seeing 102.46 as the resistance, the major resistance, and 100.44 as the major support on the downside. But I think this symmetrical triangle may be observed for some time till the time the US dollar is consolidating. Before any big move, I think it will be consolidating here for some time. This is what I am expecting here. Okay, so let us see how the things unfold in the US dollar index and switch to the daily chart of euro. How is it doing? Well, euro has started a down move, friends. Euro has started a down move. Why I'm saying that euro has started a down move? Because it has broken the previous low that it had made before making this highest high. Okay, now the price has broken to the downside, although it is being supported by this falling channels support area. So this may be, I think, yes, this may be providing you an opportunity to go short it at around 1.0942. So this can be a limit short order. Hey Benny, have you been trading today? So you see that the price is trying to go higher from here. Okay, now from here it looks like as if it is being bought, but no bro, if somebody has failed to hold these lows, that means this pair has entered a downtrend. Now this is the first signal that US dollar index may be rising very soon. Okay, but here it looks like euro is going south. Euro is definitely going south. From the 4 hour, it is clear that it has broken through the previous lows. And this pin bar is suggesting that there is a buying at the lower side, but I think okay, this has been a resistance today on the intraday. So 1.0942 qualifies actually as the resistance, but if you want to pinpoint it, then it can be that today's high that the price has made, and that is around 1.0948. So if the price, yes, with gold. Okay, so how is that been? Were you long in the gold or were you short in the gold? So from here, I am expecting actually the price to rise till 1.0948 once again and then get pushed back. In that case, I think you will have a confluence of resistance here. Okay. So this is now what I'm expecting tomorrow. If the price reaches 1.0948 area, it should be pushed back. I was short, then long, then short, then fire. All right, Benny. Benny, this is a problem when you go and enter the market without a plan. If you don't know the buyers, backfire on the long. All right, I haven't actually seen the chart of gold today, but let me bring that up later. Okay, we have sixth pair, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8th pair. Okay, after this, so you see what I'm expecting here. I will go to 1 hour and will explain you. So guys, the expectation is now, before I tell you the expectation, I must tell you what is the bias here, right? I think I can first remove this channel so that it is clear what is happening. You see, we were bullish in this market, we were bullish in the euro. Okay, but now we are not bullish in the euro. Why? Because it has just broken today. Just today it has broken this this low that the price had created before making this highest high. Okay, now this low is broken, that means the price has made a lower low. So I am expecting a lower high and then a lower low, a lower high and lower low. This is what I am expecting roughly. Okay, now This high which we are expecting, can be made here because this is a resistance. Of course, broken support tends to act as a resistance. This can also be extended till here. It can also be extended till here, right? It can also be extended till here, even here, not a problem. But what is the problem? I'll explain that also. Now you see this fall has just started from this swing high. Now this is a swing high. How it qualifies as a swing high? It has a lower high on the left and lower high on the right. Okay, so this is a swing high and this is the move, right? This is the move. So if I retrace this move, this move which I have already started, so I have 50% aligned with this low, which is not very, I mean, this is zone. Okay, so around 1.0953 we can expect a lower high to be formed, or we can expect that lower high to be formed at 62%, which is 1.0966, or we can expect that at 1.0983 area. So which is the more fruitful? Well, believe me, when the sellers are selling any market, they're expecting the price to get cheap. Now for sellers, this will be cheap market around 72%, which is also aligning itself perfectly with this level of 1.0982, which was the previous important high or low. That's why I have marked that 1.0982. Okay, now what we can do is we can remember these numbers and then we can delete it and then we can retrace it from here. Now here you see that 38% is around the same level, 50% is around 1.0995, and now if I throw my, you see, we want more and more people to get aligned at one single level. Okay, now this 38 and 61, 50, 30, 20, no, this is the price marker, this is level, this is 100%. No, there's no such area which is aligned with all, even not from this one. Okay, if I go from this swing to this swing, this is also a swing. Okay, if I go from this swing to this swing, then this 62% and 50%, which is around 1.0995 area, that seems important. So what I do is I just keep a mark like this. Okay, and then I remove my Fibonacci's, because what I'm thinking is that these are the levels. This is the level where we can expect a lower high to be formed. So now I'm saying the price is moving like this, so I'm expecting a lower high to be formed here like this. So does that make any sense to you guys? Do you understand this part? We know that at lower prices there was buying, but yes, we also know that these sellers who initiated a sell here around 1.1006 area, they were able to push the prices below the previous low. So now sellers are in control of market, at least in this zone. Okay, and in this zone they don't want to keep selling at the lower prices, they want higher prices to go short. So they will jump in again when the price reaches around 1.0995. So does that mean that we should open a buy position here and wait for here to sell? No. Why? Because now the bias is bearish. So with the bearish bias, you should not try and open any long position. Now this is the case with Benny. Do you get the idea? Now we just wait for 2 to 3 days more. Okay, and in the process, actually it will make a channel here. I will tell you, this is what price is going to do in some days. Okay, you can switch 2 hours, 4 hours. Now if you don't know how to bring in 2 hours chart, I will just show you that here you have add more, and with the with this technique you can actually bring in more charts. Okay, you cannot see this preferences type of sheet. Okay, I'm sorry, so you cannot see that, but yes, you can bring in more and more this thing time frames. But if you switch to 2 hours, that will be perfect to watch the chart going higher from here. All right, euro, come on. So something like this is what I'm expecting. Okay, now I have made it till here 1.0993 area, but it can also get rejected at 1.0948. So it depends on how aggressive the sellers are here. So what are we expecting? We are expecting something like this. Okay, we are expecting something like this, and this thing will offer a selling opportunity around here. So we are not buying this market now, but we will be looking for a selling opportunity. This is one thing. Now if I close everything out, okay, I can keep this. But if I switch to daily and you ask me what are the important key levels, now I'm saying it the second time. 1.0948 on the higher side, the first important level. The second important level is 1.0982. Okay, this is based on this today's high only. Okay, and after that we have a zone which is a confluence of two levels of retracements. This is 50% from here till here and 62% from here till here. So this is a very important level, 1.0990 to 1.0995 area. It should act as a good resistance, and I think that will be a good area to sell, because in that case you will have your stop order above 1.1006, which is also a very important area of resistance. Okay, and that makes a perfect sense to me here now. Let's look about the pound. Well, the pound has also started a down move, but I will not be selling this market until unless it breaches 1.2435. Although it looks like, yes, because yesterday's high may be treated as stop loss hunting even. Okay, first it went high, lower, then it went higher, got sold everything here. Like okay, there are no volumes on this. Volumes, okay. So you see, yesterday there was a lot of volume in this candle. That means uh, the smart sellers have opened their positions somewhere here. So if they have opened their positions, they would like to close them here after the breach lower, and then they will hunt more stop losses, and then they will push them. So yes, there is a possibility that this price will keep going down, because there is a bearish pin bar at the resistance, and but yes, the confirmation is not yet there. Okay guys, there is no confirmation yet. Till the time we are operating above 1.2435 area, we cannot become sellers in this market, because that is the rule. Okay, that is the rule in case of my trading. So I cannot become seller till the time 1.2435 is not taken out. Yes, I am not buying this market because of this Marubozu, bearish Marubozu, but close to 1.2435 I will be looking for a buying opportunity. Okay, I'm bullish on pound, and I'll be looking for a buying opportunity close to 1.2435. Let's see how the things unfold. But as of now, 1.2577 is the resistance. 1.2435 is going to be the next level of support. Australian dollar also, we are bullish. We are looking for a buying opportunity here. Now, those who are there with me from like 2 to 3 days before, I think they will be able to understand what does it mean. Now, who asked me what is churning? MGA. MGA, you might not be surprised by seeing this price action, because we have already discussed that this is going to be the price action for some days. Okay, and then eventually when the price comes to 0.6640 area, it should find support here and then breach higher, where it may give us a buying opportunity and we can go long. Yes. MG, are you still there? Guys, if you're vibing out here, if you are enjoying the stream, if you are agreeing to whatever I'm saying, and if it makes any sense to you, please do not forget to smash that like button, which is below the video, because that is the only price that you're paying to stay with me. I'm not asking you anything. Just give me that like button. That is all I demand. I don't even demand, I am requesting. If you can smash that like button, I think the owner or the webinar, whoever is moderating this webinar, he will know that yes, Rakesh is getting the viewers. That's it, nothing else. Okay, MJ is here. MJ, do you remember when we talked about this price move here? It looks like as if it is following my move. But anyways, I don't want to pretend anything here, but yes, this is going perfectly. So whatever we were thinking about the Australian dollar, it looks like as if it is going to happen. Okay, so this area 0.6640 and above, only above 0.6640, not below that. this all things should happen above 0.6640. Why above? Why not below? Because if it happens below that, then in case of daily, it will again turn bearish. Why? Because you see the price was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and now if it breaks through this 0.6640, then we will again turn bearish. So why to buy a market which is bearish, right? So the point is it should not break 0.6640 area. All right, guys. Yes, Australian dollar is now packed and ready like Elon Musk rocket to go to the moon towards 0.7142, but it is just it is just waiting for the right level of fuel and takeoff level. So I think takeoff level should be around 6640, and if for some reason it fails to trade above 0.6640, then we should not open any buy in this market. Then we should be looking for the lower lows, which is even below the 0.6563 area. Okay, but yes, right now keep an eye on 0.6640 for the Australian dollar. On the high side, now resistance should be provided by 0.6716 area. All right, let's talk about the New Zealand dollar. Well, New Zealand dollar also started coming down. Here it had made a high of 0.63805. Here also it has made a high of 0.6384. So it has breached the previous high. That means the bias is bullish now. It is just a matter of next higher low to be formed. Now it is on the I think now it is looking for the next support level, which I think this high which is broken may act as a good support, 0.6225, and if not that, then this previous high which was taken out, that is 0.6187, that can also be reached in the search of support. This is what I am expecting. Well, this channel is broken, so now you can remove this channel, and on the 4-hour actually you can create another channel on the downside. Like this. Okay, now when this channel breaks, we'll be looking for the buying opportunities, although it looks like this low may be held, this low. Okay, 0.6262. Why I'm saying that this low may be held, I'll explain. Okay, see this low here corresponding to this low here. What was the RSI? Tell me, what was the RSI? RSI was 58.42. One thing. Okay, now whatever low it is going to make here, if it fails to make lower low than this one and gives us a green candle, in that case there would be what? A hidden bullish divergence. What when does the hidden bullish divergence comes? When the price fails to make a lower low and the RSI makes a lower low. Now here see the price has failed to make a lower low provided it stays above 0.6262, but RSI has already made a lower low. That means RSI has made more leg room for itself to go higher. Understand? Do you all understand what the concept here which I am trying to tell? From this low to this low, whichever price makes here, RSI has already made a lower low, so regular divergence is must to be formed here, but for that we need a green candle here close to 0.6262. If that happens, we can open a buy position above the high of that green candle with the target of the recent highs. Okay, this is one thing. This thing we can talk about tomorrow, because I think this is going to happen because RSI has already made a lot of leg room lower. Okay, so USD JPY, guys, we are bullish or bearish in the USD JPY? What do you guys say from this chart? What do you say? As we are still bullish on this one, we can only turn bearish below 133.01. So the price is just moving sideways. There is no point in talking about this chart, although from this breach yesterday the price is finding resistance at these previous broken lows of the previous to previous candle. Okay, so it may keep pushing price lower, but till the time the price is holding above 133.01, we cannot sell this market. Sorry sellers, we cannot join you. You said stay away from USD JPY. Right now I am saying the same thing. Stay away from USD JPY. right now. I said the same thing. What do you mean? Did I say it yesterday? Stay away from USD JPY, or right now I'm saying? I'm saying the same thing, buddy. Stay away from the USD JPY. I'm saying the same thing. Yeah. Stay away from the USD JPY till the time it is trading above 133.01. Stay away from it, okay? If it trades below, then look for a selling opportunity around 133.01. Although I said that it is finding resistance from yesterday's broken low. Okay, it is finding resistance there. See, approximately at the same levels. It may keep going south, but this is a bullish market. It is making higher highs and higher lows, and after making this low, it has not made any lower lows. So I cannot say sell this market. No, this is not a selling market. But yes, once it goes below 133.01, we can look for a selling opportunity. That is what I said again. Okay, thanks for your understanding, MGA. Please don't doubt me. Okay, so here, yes, USD CAD. Who is my friend who was asking me about USD CAD yesterday? Well, my friend, your time has come. You wanted to sell this market, so 1.3522 should be your area of concern. Okay, 1.3522, but that doesn't mean that you sell here. Okay, you look what happens here. Like I told you yesterday, there should be something like bearish pin bar or something like this, bearish engulfing at the resistance. If that happens, fine, sell this market. I was long today in the US. Why would you go long in such a market? Why would you go long? MG, this is against the rules. Okay, this is against the rules. You cannot go long in a market which is making lower highs and lower lows. But it's okay. If you made some money, then close your positions today only. Okay, I made a few pips. Okay, close your position today only, because tomorrow you may find it that it is getting rejected very badly. This is possible. And if not here, then maybe at this channel, because in that case it will be making a triangle, and you should know how to trade the triangles. Okay, guys, you should know how to trade the triangles. Okay, because USD CAD tries to go in the triangles, and if it starts making triangle, then it may happen like this. Okay, so that's why 1.3522, if not that, then this area. Okay, this may be acting as a resistance, so let's keep an eye on both of the places. That's all, guys, for the USD CAD. On the lower side we have a support around 1.3314. On the high side we have a resistance at 1.3522, and maybe this falling channel may be providing some resistance to the price. I think that was my friend Hassan yesterday. Hassan or Peter, somebody was there. I forgot. Peter was asking about USD CAD or what? I think Peter was asking about USD CAD. Okay, forget it now. So what is happening here? USD CHF is finding it difficult to grow and give a closing higher than 0.8939, 8942 area. Now that was our level of resistance and support. But we have also created one symmetrical triangle, but this is not our level. The level that we were talking about is 0.8994. Okay, this is on the 4-hour, and on the daily, from the daily time frame, I think yes, 0.8994 is the resistance. Until the time that resistance is holding, we cannot be buying this market, although it is going good as of now. USD CHF is going good, but till the time 0.8954, sorry, 8994 is holding, we cannot buy this market. I'm sorry about that, guys. Although it has given us some indecision candles here, a lot of indecision candles. And on this symmetrical triangle also, the symmetrical triangle has not been broken, although it was broken for some time, but the price has come again inside and closed. So that means the price may continue downwards. So this is what I'm expecting, guys. Let's see how the things unfold, but I'm expecting a down move right now from here to this breakout, to break on the downside. This is what I'm expecting. Okay, and maybe you will get another opportunity of selling this market with a target of 8819 and even lower. That's it, guys, for me. On the upside, resistance immediately 0.8942. After that, 0.8994. On the low side, support is at around 0.8819. USD CHF looks like as if it is working as if it is working like a textbook example. If I switch to 1 hour, maybe I will be able to, yeah. So yes, those who try to buy in this candle, they are out of the market. So anytime you will see a rise to 0.8942, which is just 2 pips above, you will see more sellers jumping in and pushing the price down. Let's talk about the silver. Okay, silver is out all the buyers have been thrashed. 24.16 is where it is trading. Every time it tries to rise from here, it will find resistance around 24.47. That's it, guys. The end of silver era. I think now this should be the price action. Okay, so this is what I'm, oh, okay, stop it. Okay, this is what I'm expecting, guys. Silver has broken through the support, the major support. So this was the major support. Why? Because this was the previous high also, and this was the previous low also. So it has broken through, clear breakout, clean breakout through the support level. So any rise here may be seen as an opportunity to go short in the silver, okay, with the targets on the lower side. First target being 23.55, second target being this one here actually. Second target being around 22.80 and third target being 22.13. So let us see about the silver also, how the things unfold. Somebody was talking about gold. Let's see what happened in gold today. Okay. How he got stopped out in the gold? What happened during the day? Oh, low up, low up. Okay, I got this. Maybe you got surprised here like 4 hours back around 6 p.m. I'm okay, my 6 p.m. That means it was, I don't know which part of the world you are. When you are from England, right? Benny, are you from England? Yeah, UK. Okay, so when you were, it was your time as 11 in the morning, right? 11 or 12. Yes. So you entered at this fall in the long and then got boom, boom, boom. Okay, but now every rise from here should be taken as a selling opportunity as of now with this chart. But from the daily, we have, I think, never crossed any limit. Okay, so. All right, we are buyers above 1969 here in this game. Okay, now you have got out of this market because the US dollar is appreciating, or I will say the other pairs are going down against the US dollar. That's why gold is also trying to go down, but expect it to be bought back around 1999 levels. Around 1999 levels you will get buyers, I think so. Okay, and even you can raise this channel from by joining these lows and these highs. So you will know that in the process of going down, even if this low is taken out, don't be worried because the major support is this low here, 1969.15. If the price goes back towards that area like this, you see to what extent it can go. Even this can be a very good buying opportunity. Okay, but I think this channel will be observed, which this low, then this high, then again this low, then again this low, this high. So I'm expecting that this channel may be respected when the price meets this again. Is there any chance of it going up today? Let me check that. Yes, if this high is taken out, there is a possibility of gold going higher today if 2022 is taken out, which is only I think $5 from now. You can be hopeful here. Yes, you can be hopeful. See, in the broader sense, the gold is going up, that is for sure. No doubt about that. But to what extent it will go down, that we are not sure. Okay, where will it find support? Now today it will start finding support if the price goes above 2022. I will explain you that also. If the price somehow is able to manage and give an hourly closing higher than 2022, then this level will start acting as a, you know what, support, right? So this is based on 1 hour. Now let me check on the 15 minutes. just to give you any hope if there is any. It has to break the market structure. You have to understand that. If the market structure is not broken, then I'm sorry. So even this on the 15-minute, you can see now how is the market structure shown on the 15 minutes. Okay, here the market was making higher highs and higher lows. See, the market was making higher highs and higher lows. Here it broke lower, then it made a high here, then it made a low here, then it made a high here, and thereafter it has not made any higher high or low. So for the point is, this is the high, this is the low. If the market breaks through this low, then it will be a selling market again. If the market makes a high higher than this, then it will be a buying market again. I'm looking not to close, but not sure. If you, I think this will help, whatever I have shared with you right now. I think this should help. You got the idea? If it goes higher than 2022, you can hold it. But if it fails to go higher than 2022, and if you see that it is getting rejected, SL is at 2010. Wait. Yeah, 2010 is good. 2010 is good to hold. And also observe what happens when the price again goes to 2022 levels. If it goes and goes above that and then come and test it as a fresh support, then keep holding. But if it does not go like this and it goes like this, then maybe you should raise your stop loss and exit the shorts. I'm sorry, exit the longs, even in if you are at loss. Okay. So observe what happens around 2022 level, guys. Okay, Benny, got it? SL as of now 2010 is good, because below 2010 you should not hold it, because you don't know to what extent it can go. Sorry, you don't know to what extent it can go. It can also go 1999, it can also go 1969. Yeah. Okay, let's talk about the Brent. What is Brent doing? Okay. We could have made a lot of money if we would have been together, right? My analysis, your money. Okay, so 75.88 is now, I think, acting as a resistance. You have seen it, the price. We yesterday there was a big circle around here. If you remember, I have made something like this earlier, and I said that this is going to be a huge resistance, and yes, that is acting as a resistance. The price has broken below that, and after giving a close below 75.88, now 75.88 is acting as a good resistance. You can see the high over here is 75.86, so it is very close to that. Now even now the price is trying to go and trade lower. In the process, I believe 72.66 is possible in this market. These recent broken highs may provide some support to the price on the way south, but 72.66 is, I think, what is going to be the next support. Now based on the daily, you see that the price is making lower highs and lower lows. So this is expected as a lower high now, and we are expecting to make a lower low, which will be made in case the price trades below 71.36. So first target of 72.66, and thereafter 71.36. This should be now there on your eyes. Even if you short the market right now at the current prices, keep your stop loss above 75.88. All right, guys. Rest you can measure what is the risk, what is the reward, blah 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 blah. 72 points of risk, 250 points of take profit. Not a bad idea, but that is for you to decide. All right, we have achieved all our targets, guys. Who has made money on the USD ZAR? Who has made money on the USD ZAR? Tell me now. Who has made any money on the US dollar against South African rand based on our analysis? If nobody has made money, then I should stop doing these webinars. Oh, just joking. Okay. Okay, so guys, we have achieved all our targets on the USD ZAR. GBPOD, can we look into this, please? Yes, we are looking that at the end of the webinar. We are this is already there. Don't worry. You see this GBP AUD, it is already there. So we'll be checking that. Wait for that. So guys, this USD after the breakout, it has taken the first target, then second target is also taken. Now I don't know what to talk about it, but we have higher targets. No, no more higher targets. But this is extremely bullish. This is extremely bullish now. So any comeback towards 17.7165 should be seen as a buying opportunity and go long in the USD. That's it, guys, and that's also happening when the US dollar is not that good, but still it is rising. Okay, so nothing else. Now if some pair takes your targets, your initial and the final targets, then just leave it alone for some times, because now it will start consolidating for some days before next move. So just stay away from it. Okay, what about the Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin is also trying to take some support around 2950, but I think if it breaks lower, then you should be expecting something like this. Okay, and if it breaks higher, then you should be expecting something like this. So keep both of things in mind, but in this triangle I think some more consolidation is possible and the price will go back to this area, and then again eventually to, I mean, just to mature this pattern, it needs more time. All right, and also you see at this day there is no more volume. Even if it has to break down, we need volumes to break down. So there are no more volumes. The volumes are very less. I think the price will reverse to the upside. Let's see how the things unfold here. But as of now, Bitcoin, there is no trade. Euro yen, whoa, euro has also breached the lower lines. So 146.28 is breached. Does it mean that we should sell this market now? No. What we gonna do? We are going to find another selling opportunity. If not here, then where? Guys, keep your eyes and ears open around here. When the price goes to this area, okay, look for a selling opportunity. On the 1 hour, actually you can create a channel like this. Okay, this is not the exact channel, but I think something like this similar will form here, and then eventually you will get a selling opportunity at this falling channel's resistance area. Okay, so keep an eye on around here. Let's see how the things unfold. But yes, euro JPY is now in a sell mode because it has breached below 146.28, although there is a bullish pin bar here, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, we are looking for a selling opportunity in the euro JPY. Euro GBP, okay, this is a bullish engulfing right below the resistance. Now something happening below the resistance is not good if it is bullish. So it is just pushing the price to be sold again. So 8730 was the resistance area. You can sell this market with a small stop loss higher than this this area here. Had this bullish engulfing been created above this, then I would have been buying this market. Okay, right now there's no buying, not now at least. After breaking through these very robust support, it should act as a very good resistance, and tomorrow you should see a bearish candle on this one. Okay, 0.87309 is still a resistance, guys, on the euro GBP, and support is very far around 8546. All right, well, we are expecting something similar, and I'm still expecting something similar. Okay, I'm expecting the price to go down, boom boom, like this. Nothing much. Yesterday there was a bullish engulfing, and that also at the resistance. What's the SL on the euro GBP? Euro GBP, well, wait, let me check on 4 hours what is happening. I think you can keep the SL of the previous high, this one here. 0.8746 is the high that the price has made here. You can keep it 8750 or something. 0.8750, if not that 8750 to be exact, then 0.8751. But if you get a loss, don't blame me. Okay. But yes, this is a very good resistance. I will give you one analogy, Benny. You see why I said that this is going to go south. Okay, even with this bullish pin bar and bullish engulfing, I'm saying that this price will go down. I will explain you why. This is, look at here, Is this a bullish engulfing? Yes. Is this a bullish pin bar? Yes. But the next day there is a red candle. Why? Because it made a bullish engulfing just below the resistance. It has no meaning. It has no meaning. Okay, this candle has no meaning. Similarly, Euro GBP, this candle will have no meaning if it closes the day below this 8730. Although this candle still has 11 hours and 43 minutes to go, it can close higher than that. Okay. So you got it. Okay. So now euro against the Australian dollar. Well, this is also now a selling market, and another selling opportunity you can get around 1.66356. Yes. And if it close above, then I think it would have eradicated the losses. If it closes above 0.8730, then you should be cautious. Of course, this is still a selling market, but if it closes the day above a strong resistance, that means the resistance is not being offered, and then it may continue towards 8759, 8791, like that. You want to take a risk? Okay, you see 4 hourly has just closed the below that, 1 hourly has closed above that, so there was an indecision finally going down. If you want to take a risk, you can take. Actually, it's only 20 points of stop loss. It's okay. So euro AUD 1.6356 is the area where I am expecting resistance. This may even go up. This may even go up like this and then go down, but yes, expected resistance is around 1.6356 and support is expected around 1.6219, and now this will come down to this level 1.6135 area. Okay, the down move is expected in this pair, euro against the Australian dollar. Ethereum is acting similarly like the Bitcoin, but it has first broken to the higher side, then it has broken to the downside, so expect an explosive move. Like I said yesterday also, 1685 the first target, and then 1367 as the second target in this market if it goes beyond to 1761 to the downside. Okay, although now it is already trading at the support level, it can find some support here because there was a lot of congestion in this area. The buyers may jump in anytime, but if it doesn't find buyers below 1761, then it can extend to 1685. If no buyers till then I think 1367 will be exposed in this market. On the way down, this low may provide some support. This low is standing at around 1611. Okay, CAD JPY, Canadian dollar. Okay, this channel is trying to provide some support to the price, but I think the Canadian dollar will drop further against the Japanese yen. Why I'm thinking so, guys? Guess. Who can guess why I feel like 99.21 is exposed and it can breach? Why I think that the price will drop like this? Who can tell me? Who can read my mind? Tell me. Anybody here? Yeah, Brent is bearish. MJ, now you can read my mind. Yeah, correct answer, because we know that Brent is going south. If the Brent is going south, that means Canadian dollar is going south. If the Canadian dollar is going south, that means CAD JPY is going south. So 97.55 will be exposed if we see price trading below 99.21, right? Actually not this. Okay, whatever. This is the correct level. I'm sorry, MJ, but yes, expect something like this. Okay, tomorrow, maybe day after. Let's see how the things unfold, but yes, we will become bearish on the CAD JPY also in case the Brent goes south. USA Tech, well, trading comfortably above 13384, possible price action to go towards 13723, and now the support may be provided by 13304. Guys, what if I tell you that I was long in this market but got stopped out? What if I tell you? Will you believe I got stopped out in this market? I bought this market at 13305 and still I got stopped out because I was very aggressive. I will tell you how. You see this? I see a close above. Boom, 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 boom. I got stopped out, guys. I got stopped. I had no point in keeping this market till 205. This happened so fast, I cannot even tell. But thereafter, the move is going in my direction. So this is very sad when you know that what is going to happen and still you are not able to take advantage of it. And now I don't want to catch it. Although it is perfectly following my path, but I'm not willing to catch this again. Yeah, there was a lot of volatility actually. There was lot of volatility. It just stopped me out and then went higher. Whatever, now we are expecting 13723 in this market, guys, on the upside, and on the downside we will have support around 13304, which was the previous resistance and now is acting as a good support. GBP against the Australian dollar. Pound is looking good actually against the Australian dollar, and we are not willing to sell this market above 1.8395. It is bullish. Below 1.8395, I think I will be selling this market. Although this rising trend line has been broken, so it may be your intuition to go short in this pair around this area, but I think if this trend line is taken out, then you can become buyer again in this market. So you got my idea, right? Below 1.8395 only you should be looking for the selling opportunities, but if the price breaks this falling trend line, then I think you can turn buyers again, although the bias is already bullish in this one. Okay, why the bias is bullish? We make our bias based on this. Okay, here now this is just a consolidation. Okay, this consolidation may be over anytime soon. So when this consolidation is over, you will know. Now this consolidation will be over when you see that the price is going above this trend line, and then you can become buyer. Now stay on the sidelines. I will even make you a triangle. In this area, if the price is in this area, do not open any position. Simple. Okay, simple rule. Do not open any position in this area. If the price goes below this, go sell. If the price goes above this, go buy. Simple. What about Dow Jones, guys? Dow Jones. Now, those who are thinking that every market is going in correlation, it is not so. Do you see? This is Dow Jones and this is Nasdaq. This is bullish. This is bearish. Why it is so? Bullish, bearish. This is S&P 500, bearish. But you say tech, bullish, because it has broken through the resistance and is finding it as a support. Okay, enough of enough. So Dow Jones, we are expecting lower moves toward 31,423, guys, and nothing new on this one. So yeah, nothing new. Yes, this channel is being followed beautifully. Any rise maybe go maybe shorted and maybe taken advantage of, going short in this market with the target of 31,423 in this one. And last is CHFJPY. That is for my personal this thing experimentation. Thank you, guys. I think we are done for the today. If there is any question, you can ask me in the chat, and if there is any suggestion, you can write that also in the chat so that I can incorporate that in my next webinars. Sorry, back to US 30. Many thanks. Sorry, back to US 30. What do you mean by sorry, back to US 30? I wish I can. Sorry, back to US 30. Now, US 30, I was just saying that this is also bearish and S&P 500 is also bearish. So any rise in US 30 may be seen as an opportunity to go short. Any rise in the US 30 may be seen as an opportunity to go short with the target of 31,423. Okay. So if you get US30 somewhere here, you should be looking for a selling opportunity. All right, guys, I hope now you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just keep in mind to only risk 1% or less of your entire capital on any one trade. And you should enter a trade only if you have a potential of making minimum 3 times of whatever risk that you are going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. You can connect with me on my Skype handle and also consider subscribing to my other YouTube channel, which is Bulls and Bears, and that is my own channel. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.